The Internal Revenue Service has announced new federal income tax brackets for the 2025 tax year, adjusting the income thresholds to account for inflation. This update aims to prevent the phenomenon known as bracket creep, where inflation pushes taxpayers into higher tax brackets without real increases in income. The marginal tax rates remain unchanged at 10%, 12%, 22, 24, 32, 35, and 37%. For single filers, the 10% bracket applies to income up to $11,925, the 12% bracket from $11,926 to $48,475, the 22% bracket from $48,476 to $103,350, the 24% bracket from $103,051 to $197,300, the 32% bracket from $197,301 to $255,525, the 35% bracket from $250,526 to $375,800, and the 37% bracket for income over $375,800. For married couples filing jointly, the 10% rate applies up to $23,850, 12% from $23,051 to $96,950, 22% from $96,951 to $206,700, 24% from $206,701 to $394,600, 32% from $394,601 to $501,050, 35% from $501,051 to $751,600, and 37% for incomes over $751,600. Married individuals filing separately will have the same brackets as single filers. For heads of household, the 10% bracket covers up to $17,000, 12% from $17,001 to $64,050, 22% from $64,001 to $103,350, 24% from $103,351 to $197,300, 32% from $197,000 to $250,500, 35% from $250,501 to $626,350, and 37% for incomes over $626,350. Standard deductions for 2025 have also increased, with single filers and married individuals filing separately getting a deduction of $15,000. Married couples filing jointly will have a standard deduction of $30,000, while heads of household will see an increase to $22,500. The adjustments reflect a smaller increase compared to recent years, largely due to decreased inflation rates. This strategy helps to alleviate the impact of inflation on taxpayers' liabilities, shielding more income from higher tax brackets. Moving forward, the expiration of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act provisions by the end of 2025 introduces potential changes in tax rates and brackets unless intervened by new legislative actions. These updates are essential for taxpayers to consider in financial planning and are a significant factor in assessing potential liabilities. For more information and a deeper understanding of these updates, visit visaverge.com.